The central government has designated all the major metro cities Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Bengaluru and Ahmedabad as red zones in a revised list shared yesterday. The categorization in red zone is the most stringent and is comprised of containment zones. According to center's guidelines, districts with high load of coronavirus cases or which have a high growth rate of the disease are classified under red zones, while those with considerably fewer cases of the respiratory infection fall in orange zones. Districts with no coronavirus cases are categorized as green zones. 2 more nurses from Manipur have tested positive for COVID-19 in Apollo Hospital, Delhi. As per sources in Apollo Hospital, a 4-year-old patient succumbed to COVID-19 yesterday in the same hospital. It is to be noted that 2 nurses from Manipur have also tested positive for the disease in the national capital. One of women leaders of Assam's Kasar district, SERAM RASHE Devi, passed away at a private hospital in Silchar last night. She was 76. RASHE Devi was the founder president of Nupi Khunai Chaukhutlub, SERAM Khul, Rongpur. During her lifetime, RASHE also served as Joint Secretary of Assam Manipuri Maira Paibi Apunbalop. She also contributed in the fight against drugs and in the movement for women empowerment. The Manipur People's Club located at Kaisampat Thokchom Lekai in Imphal distributed food items to residents of Kaisampat Thokchom Lekai and Khwaramban Bazar. The club said it is the 29th time to distribute relief materials to the public during the ongoing lockdown. The North Imphal Development and Sporting Union at Luwang Sangbam in Imphal today distributed food items to the local residents. Union advisor Ann Kennedy said that the union will continue to help the needy during the lockdown. OK's Rice Papar, a locally produced papar, was formally launched at Tera Urak Industrial Estate in Bishnupur district yesterday. Manipur Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchan Singh, Information and Public Relations Director H. Balkrishna, proprietor of OK's Rice Papar Laurembam Oren Kumar and others took part in the launch function. Zonal Education Center Thaubal and School Management and Development Committee jointly distributed essential food items to parents and guardians of Kasturba Gandhi Bal Vidyalaya Ukhongsang Thaubal at the school premises. Lockdown protocol was maintained during the distribution where ZEO Zone 3, Thaubal Coordinator A. Rebecca, SMDC Convener TH Nando and others were present. In a step to ease the burden of people during the lockdown imposed by the government due to the COVID-19 crisis, Tamenglong District Congress Vice President Wilson Gangmai today delivered rice, salt and vegetables to 89 people from 52 Nungba Assembly constituency who are staying at the rented accommodations in Imphal. The Wilson Gangmai family sponsored the vegetables while the other essential commodities were provided from MLA Local Area Development Fund. At least 795 dwelling houses have been damaged by heavy rain, hailstorm and violent wind that hit several parts of Mizoram last week, State Disaster Management and Rehabilitation Minister Lalchamliana said. According to a media report, the minister said 46 houses have been completely damaged and 749 others partially damaged in 58 villages across 9 out of 11 districts in the recent natural calamities.